Hi everyone, Archana here. I received so many beautiful these wooden chipboard pieces by Scrapiniec, and these are 3D chipboard pieces. So I'll see if I can show you how to assemble them, since I never opened it and there are no videos anywhere how to assemble them. So we'll start with one of the um, smallest one. So it is actually a organizer, 3-piece organizer. I have a picture right now here. You can see the picture. It will look like that after you finish this. You can mosh podge it, color it, or you can use any decorative uh, papers, or even washi tapes are good for this project. So we have these pieces here. So you can see this beautiful building structure or panel here. Then we have these side panels, I think, and then we will have these two pieces. So let's start. I am just guessing it, so we have to build it like that. Because I'm daring to do it in front of you directly. Even I didn't check how it goes. They are very easy to assemble. That's what I know. I believe that. So that's what I am just doing it in front of you. Then this piece goes like this. This goes like this. First we will check and then we will glue them down. I mostly use my wood glue, but I don't have it right now. But I have these two glues. This is my favorite dry clear art glitter one, and I have this Gorilla construction adhesive. This is bit heavy duty. I will use this one. And now we need two of the panels for middle. So we need to put them in. And this one goes like that. And these wooden chipboards are very nice, very soft, smooth, easy to assemble, and they are very sturdy. And then this panel will go on top like that. These notches goes in here like this. So our this organizing pencil organizer box will look like this. I'm sorry, these side panels are loose, so let's assemble it first. Let's see if we can do it right now. So this goes in, so I need a glue on both sides like that. And this panel. This panel goes inside, and I think we need some glue for these two sides too. All notches you need to glue them properly. So that's what I recommend, liquid glue. Don't use any hot glue gun for this project. Hot glue gun, you don't need you don't get you don't get enough time to fix if you make any mistake. So this glue works best. Alright, so this panel is fixed. Then side panel we will do it later on. We will just put this top one first. So we need glue only inside these notches, or you can just put like that on the sides, because it's very hard to go inside from this. Okay, and then you need to carefully stick them in. They are very easy to assemble. They go well inside. We don't need any struggle or any harsh treatment for these. And then we will assemble these side panels. So for this one we only need inside part to glue, and they go like this. Very cute. Amazing, right? You need to hold for few seconds until this glue take care of the sticking. Alright, so this cute little one looks like that, and you can keep your pencils, your things in there, and you can decorate this nicely from the front. So my idea is I'm using this for my mini album holder. So I'm going to take these two out, and this whole thing I'm using for mini album for my 6x6, and let's see how it will turn. Very cute, right? So this is our first project we have created, which is small organizer. Now let's move on to the next one. I'll keep it here to dry properly. So next one is little bit larger organizer. It's taller, and it has very few pieces to stick on. So let's see, it will be easy, I'm sure. So this one, and they all are listed on crafticity.com if you want to purchase any. So look at this one, so cute, right? This part you can decorate really well. You can use acetate, you can insert some candle behind, and it will look so pretty, I'm sure. So there are 4 equal pieces. Very nice and easy, I guess, to assemble. So we will figure it out how they go. So first definitely goes down. So I think one piece has 4 notches, so this is different than other 3, and all 3 has 3 side notches. You can see the difference. So this one should be our base. So let's stick this part first. Of course, on one side we have to stick it. Like that. Then we need to stick the other part. We need to push this. basically the which part comes out, you have to put the glue on that. So that is the easiest way. So these notches are coming out, you have to stick the glue on. So let's stick them. So hold it tight for a couple of seconds until the glue dries and it will get stable. And then we will fix this part now. So again, all outsider needs a glue. Like that. Then we need to stick this one. So take this out carefully from this wood part. It's very easy, you don't need any tool to get it out. And now we will just stick this part. So again we need glue on all these outside notches. Here also. Alright. Then hold these 4 walls properly and then carefully stick this in like that. And keep it aside for drying. You can see this big box. So pretty, right? And if you use some decorative pieces, as I said, acetate, and put some candle inside, it looks so pretty. Otherwise it is a beautiful organizer for your mini album if you are making something small, or some tags. I am making tag book. Similar shapes I am going to cut out by hand and I'll make a tag book here. So let's see how it will turn out. I'll share definitely whatever I create. So this is our another easiest one.